Living close to someone hypersensitive unveils layers of the human soul. Every small stir resonates deeply within them. The unspoken words, the slight changes in your tone, the nuances of your expressions. They are not overly dramatic. They are profoundly attuned to the world's whispers. Their need for solitude isn't about difficulty. It's about survival, about making sense of a world that often roars too loudly. Remember, kindness is their language. A soft word, a moment's patience, can brighten their universe. Their depth of feeling isn't a flaw. It's the wellspring of their profound love and care. To live with them is to learn the art of seeing with the heart.